You want to get the froggy?
Yeah.
See if you can touch him.
Whoa! She scared me.
See if you can get him. He's okay.
Whoa, she hopped away.
You better get him before he gets away. Get him.
I can't. She hopped away.
Go get him.
No, she hopped away.
He wants to play with you.
No, she hopped away.
Froggy, come play with little Cake. Froggy. Froggy.
Froggy!
Get him.
Froggy, you're so yucky.
Don't yell at him. Go down on your hands and knees. And talk gentle to him. Say, hi, Froggy. It's me, little Cake.
Froggy, it's me, little Cake.
Pet him.
I can't.
Slowly pet him.
Whoa! She hopped away.
Go pet him.
No.
Say bye, Froggy.